if someone is from a mid-level management, right? But that person is not from data science industry. That person is from a non-technical background. Okay. So what would be your suggestion for that particular aspiring data scientist who is already in a mid-level management, but in a non-technical background, to do a transformation of career like you did into data science? What would be your suggestion for him or her?
Okay. So it has two aspects, right? One is materialistic aspect, one is your own interest. So I would go ahead with the first one. So I would be very blunt and tell that individual that I know you're working in a non-tech company. I know you are working in a mid-level position at this point of time. But what I can guarantee you, like, it does not matter what industry you're working on. You might be working in manufacturing, you might be working in tourism, you might be working in logistics, right? Every single industry deals with billions and trillions of data, right? Every single day, every single hour. So the need of data science is there. Need of data science, need of data analytics, need of reporting. These things are there. So I can guarantee, I can give you guarantee, like whatever I would say, career wise or financially you are generating at this point of time in a mid level, in a non-tech background, I mean non-tech domain. If you are starting kind of, I would not say from zero, but if you are starting into a data field, your remuneration, your generation of wealth, these things will boost up at any given point of time. That's one thing. Second thing, what I what I firmly believe myself. Let's say you work in a logistics company, right? And you are in a mid-level position. So in data science, domain knowledge is very important. Like wherever you go, you need to understand the domain, right? So if you are in a mid-level position in a manufacturing company, you already have the domain knowledge for that particular company, right? So there is no, I would say, extra training that needs to be given to you in terms of domain, right? So once you learn data science, once you are equipped with data science skills, get into this particular industry, into a data science role. In that case, you won't be called a fresher. You will be given a good designation. You will get paid good.
So
Yeah,
that's I think a brilliant trick to to balance both the sides, that
absolutely.
material at the same time your I mean the aspiration of getting into data science.
Yes.
That is actually a brilliant trick.